Hello everybody, this is Mr. Stukov channel, and in this video I show you how to make a basic digital angle finder using your mobile phone and couple of scrap wood pieces. Let's get started. First of all, I've measured depth of phone with case, and then I set up my table saw with Dado blades. I set up exactly the same depth that I measured. And this is oak plank, 3/4 depth, and I made channel in it. Everything next seems to be self-explained, so enjoy the video, guys.